So before we continue the video, I want to give a quick shout out to Broadway Crafts on YouTube and at some of the slimes on Instagram. She was the first one that I saw that did this type of slime haul where she went to go buy slimes and see the pricing and then the textures of the actual, if they really belong with the pricing. So go ahead and give her a follow. I'll link the video down below. Hope you guys enjoy.
A clear glue base line with some glue, glitter, and a mama shark charm. Oh, and it was $1. I feel like a very pretty texture. It doesn't stretch as much. It's very pretty, like hard to get out of the container. Okay. So it's not very sticking together. Oh, the glitter sticks all over, so it's not very good slime. Doesn't stretch. When I poke, it just rips through. And it doesn't crackle, so. And this was $1, so it's the best you're gonna get. Okay, so this is a $1 microfilm. It is very dry and hard to get out of the container, as you can see. Ooh. Very, very hard. It's not even slime. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that right there. It molds together somewhat, but it does not stretch. It completely falls apart. I can't poke it. It's just foam beads. Okay, so this is actually the $3 one. We accidentally skipped it, but I like the color. That's why I got it. And it has like a darker type of slime in there. Like it's not really fully mixed, but it is supposed to be partner happy new product slime. So we're gonna go right in. I love the container too. It's a little cute bucket. I was gonna get a bigger bucket, but those were $10, and I was like, no. Oh, and it's kind of like one of those perfect. Make sure that no one played with it. Sealed type of thing. Okay, I'm gonna smell it. It doesn't smell good and it doesn't smell bad either. Oh, has very wet texture. Oh, it's stretchy. But yeah, super moist. Oh, you can see the water in there. You see the water? The dark green part feels more like slime. The lighter part is more like clay. Go ahead and knead it so I can fully mix in with all that liquid, whatever that liquid was. This is a very nice butter slime, actually. Has a light sizzle to it. Does not poke. But it's super stretchy and nice. I really like this. It feels like more of like the clay heavier slime. But definitely worth $3. Hopefully you guys can hear those sizzles. Like I can. Cause this is amazing. Okay, so this is a clear glue based slime with jelly cubes, and it's a color turquoise with some beads. Just very little one. Hopefully it doesn't turn out, and it's $5. Hopefully it doesn't turn out the same. Yeah, the pokes, they're still breaking through. It's not very, I think it's worse than all of them. Okay, so it's not coming out of the container, so I'm just gonna play with this. It doesn't even mold. I like the jelly cubes squish. Yeah, this slime for $5, it's not worth it. Okay, so this is a glittery lavender slime with some bluish glitter, and it was $5. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it goes from light purple to dark purple. So let's see. Like recent slimes, ooh, it's kind of nice, but if you go too hard, you can rip through it. Oh. It's very nice slime. Well, I guess putty. It doesn't really stick to the container. Can't take it out, but I'll just play with what I have for right now. It's very pretty and clicky. Very thick. It's a really nice color. You can see right here, it's like a light purple, and in the middle it's like really dark. It's not very putty-like. I mean, in a way it is, like you can't really stretch and play with it, but it's very soft as well. It's kind of like the turquoise jelly cube slime. It's really thick. It's very clear as well. Okay, so this one is a $5 slime haul I got. Look how much slimes it came in with. Obviously, I feel like these are obviously putties, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out one row and do just a slime smoothie for it. Okay, so these are the 4 I will be mixing. I really love the color and the fact that they have pom-poms inside. It's really pretty. So we'll go ahead and do the blue one first. Smells like store-bought slime. Oh, it has a little wet residue. Here is the green one. Oh. Then is a light pink. I really like the idea that they had pom-poms. It sucks that they were all pom-poms. So it's basically all the same, just a big old batch of it. I'm gonna mix this in. Okay, so the pokes are just like the $1 one where it just rips right through. It doesn't really poke. And it just rips. Oh. And the stretches aren't that good either. Obviously you can see that it just rips up. What I like doing is just squishing the stuff. But since they're pom-poms, they don't break like jelly cubes. But this were $5. I like the fact that it's a lot of slime for $5. But obviously you get what you get at the flea market. Okay, so the final one was actually $7. And look at this. It's a DIY kit with 6 different glues, 6 different add-ins, 3 different glitters, and 8 different type of fruit slices with glitters. $7. Is it worth it? We will find out. I'm gonna do a set, and then my other sisters will join in and do a DIY themselves also. So you'll get 3 different type of glues. I mean slimes. Okay, so this is what I chose out of those. I got the green one, glitter glue, green and yellow slime, which is most likely putty-like. I got some green pearls and green, yellow, and white foam balls with lemon sliced fruit slices and rainbow colored stars. Let's get started. So first, get the slimes. I'm making a combination. So we're gonna, ooh. Oh, I thought it was sticky. Oh, that's not bad actually. It stretches. So yeah, you gotta go slow. I wanted to check that. You gotta go slow and smell it. Oh, it has kind of like a soapy smell to it. So we'll do that first. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the yellow. If I can open it. Can you guys guess my favorite color is green? This is very nice. I really like the slimes. We'll do half. Kind of shape it like a heart. Half and half. We're going to go ahead and drizzle in some glitter glue. No, we won't. Oh. Okay. Oh, I needed 2. Okay. That's all of that. Oh, I had a little stopper, that's why. And then we're gonna add in some colorful stars. Oh, so pretty. More. And then we're gonna do some beads. Make sure they stay in and don't fall all over the place. Okay. Next, some lemon slices. So cute. And lastly, but not least, the foam beads. Which I love. The more the merrier. Okay. Squish that in. Oh, you can definitely feel the glitter glue. Oh, look at that. Can't really hear folks right now. Let me scoop up some of the stuff. Scoop, scoop. Okay, the glitter glue definitely makes it feel more sticky, obviously because it's wet glue and probably will not mix well, but you can definitely, that makes it look so pretty. I am in love with this one. Definitely for me, it was worth $7. It's nice and stretchy too. Obviously not too much, but just enough. Try to swirl it. Look at that. Comment down below if you think this was a success. If this was a success. The makeup.
Okay, so the colors I'm gonna do is blue and clear. And I'm using the blue foam beads with some white. These leather beads kind of. I got watermelon female slices. Like hearts, and there's some stars in here, and the blue glitter glue. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the blue one first with probably the blue foam beads. This is really stretchy. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is spread it out so it all sticks. I'm gonna add these ones, and I think so. I add just a little bit because I don't want it to be too much. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the blue glitter glue in here, and most of it's gonna go to the other one. Learning from previous mistakes, I'm gonna take off this stopper. Took it off in my hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna add just a little bit the blue glitter glue. This I'm gonna add I'm gonna add the heart slices with, there's some stars in here. Oh, there's a lemon in here. So I'll just collect these because, you never know. Okay, so this is my slime for blue. It's really, as my sister said, the glitter glue really makes it sticky. Kind of make it more dense. I didn't want to add too much of those glitter blocks because it would stick. I mean, it wouldn't stick, it would fall out. Okay, so I think I move on to the clear glue. Clear slime one. Collect all of this. So the next slime I'm doing is the clear glue slime. Take off some of the glitter I had from the previous slimes. This is really soft and really stretchy. this is stretchier than the blue one. You have to like double layer it so it can poke. It's really nice slime. Okay, so first I'm gonna spread it out, and then I'm gonna add my blue foam beads with some white in here. Spread that out. Okay, I don't know if I should add the blue glitter glue until the end, because right now it's gonna make it really dense. So I think I'm gonna add that later on. Next, I'm gonna add the watermelon female slices. Hopefully I don't spill them like the heart ones. Whoa, look at that. So I'm just gonna spread these. Well, I don't have that much to spread, but I'm gonna put these over. I think I should add the rest of them, the foam beads, because it's only a little bit left. So this is the end result of the clear glue slime. I'm still deciding if I want to mix it or not, because it's a really nice and stretchy slime for being store-bought. Okay, so I think I've made up my mind and I'm gonna mix it. Hopefully it softens up the blue one and it's a really nice blue. And that's when I'll add the blue glitter glue. So roll this to the side. I'll open this. Okay, so this is the blue one. It has the letter cubes, the heart thing, the heart slices, and I put some glitter glue in here, so I'm gonna stretch them out. I can already feel the difference between these two, because you can tell this one's not stretching as fast as this one stretches. So I'm gonna add the blue glitter glue now to the slime. Just drizzle it on top. Okay. Well, I'm not good at drizzling as I thought I was. Now I'm just gonna mix that together. Oh, I can already feel it being very sticky. I feel like even though it's just glue, I feel like this blue glitter glue makes it very dense and not as stretchy. It pokes very well, actually. It's not as stretchy as the clear glue was, and I thought it would make it. It's like in the middle between, and even though it's kind of sticky from the glitter glue, it's not making it stretchier. So that's a disappointment. But I really love this color and the mix of the foam beads with the blue. So when mixing in the clear slime, I kind of put it very light, the blue slime. So yeah, so this is my slime, the mix of clear glue and clear slime and blue slime. Thanks.
Okay, so I got the pink slime and the clear slime with some yellow heart sprinkles and some purple flow beads,
some pink pearls and dragon fruit, fruit slices. So I'm gonna mix the pink first. Very clicky. So just spread this out. I'm not gonna add the glitter glue because, well, both my sisters have agreed that it was not a very good add-in. So I'm just gonna add a bit of that. And then I'm gonna add in the fruit slices. And I'm gonna mix it. It's very nice slime. It's very stretchy. It's very pretty too. My favorite color really isn't pink, it's purple. But these were the last options, and I gotta admit, this is a really good color. Some beads are falling out. I think I maybe added too much. But it's okay. Alright, so let's just start mixing the clear. It's very clear, as you can see. Oh, it's very, very soft. Feels kind of wet, I think. Okay, so this is the clear slime. It's very, very wet. I'm gonna add the purple flown beads. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. It's kind of, it has blue, purple, white, and pink in it, which is a very strange combination. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the yellow outline of hearts. And then I'm just gonna mix it. Ooh. So, I don't want to say kind of crunchy, I think. It's very nice. Very stretchy too. It's a very nice combination. Not very pokey, but makes nice stretches, nice swirls as well. So then I'm gonna go ahead and mix the pink. Never mind. I'm very nervous. I think I should not mix them because they're both very pretty on their own. If I feel like I mix them, it'd be too much colors and not very pretty. So this is the slime. These are the slimes I made. You can see them. The pink with the pink pearls and the dragon fruit, and then the clear slime with the purple flow beads and yellow outline of hearts. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of all of us, or out of my slimes. The pink, the clear one, or the blue one, or the green one.